Shut up and sit down.
Razer Bluetooth Hammerhead truly wireless, ultra low latency, water resistant design, custom tuned 13mm drivers. Look at the back. Once again, mentioning the ultra low latency, true audio freedom, touch enabled and voice assistance compatible, custom tuned 13mm drivers, water resistant design, Bluetooth 5.0 and auto pairing, portable Type-C charging case, sound isolation, and it has rubber installations for the earbud tips to make it a tighter fit. As you notice right here, Razer is always good about providing warranties, and this has a 2-year warranty. We got their little intro card here, welcoming us. Little user guide. As we open the package, see the earbuds, the case. You got the charger, USB charger, Type-C. And these really nice packaging, really nice and snug. Styrofoam, just pop it out right here. Nice. Here. Check out the case. Nice, sleek, smooth case. Light goes on. Got left and right. Once again, Type-C charger. There. Earbuds, Type-C, foam installations for the earbud ends. You got a little wrist attachment for the case for convenient travel. There you have it. The unboxing of the official new Razer Hammerhead truly wireless earbuds.